Welcome to Listen English to Learn. If you want to improve your English naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about how to use English in a supermarket. Learning essential phrases and expressions will help you navigate a grocery store with confidence. Whether you're asking for help, reading labels, or checking out, you'll gain useful English skills to make shopping easy. So, let's get started. Entering the supermarket. When you walk into a supermarket, you may hear greetings like, "Welcome, how can I help you today? Do you need a shopping cart or a basket? Our special offers are in aisle 5. If you're looking for something specific, you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the dairy section? Do you have any gluten-free bread? Which aisle has canned vegetables?" 2. Shopping for groceries. Once inside, you'll find different sections like produce section, fruits and vegetables. Do these apples have seeds? Dairy section, milk, cheese, yogurt. Is this milk organic? Meat and seafood section. Can I get 500 grams of chicken breast? Bakery section. Are these muffins freshly baked? When selecting products, you might say, "This looks fresh." Is there a discount on this item? How long does this stay good for? 3. Asking for help. If you can't find something, ask an employee. "Excuse me, do you have almond milk? Where can I find whole wheat bread? Can you recommend a good coffee brand?" You might also need help understanding labels. What does low fat mean? Is this product sugar-free? What are the ingredients in this sauce? 4. At the checkout. When paying for your groceries, you'll hear, "Did you find everything okay? Would you like paper or plastic bags? Your total is $25.99. If you're using a card, you might say, "Can I pay with a credit card? Do you accept contactless payment? I'd like to use my store loyalty card." 5. Small talk at the supermarket. Many people make a small talk while waiting in line. "The weather is nice today. It's busy in here, isn't it? I love this brand of coffee." Making small talk is a great way to practice English and build confidence. Questions for interaction. What is your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket? Have you ever had trouble finding an item while shopping? How do supermarkets in your country differ from others? Write your answers in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Going to the supermarket is a part of daily life, and knowing these phrases will help you shop with ease. Keep practicing and listening to real-life conversations to improve your fluency. Thank you for joining today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you next time.